Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathyMath number 39.
MathyMath number 39. So this is problem number 18 from the 2001 AMC8. And this one gave you a little bit of trouble this morning. The question is, two dice are thrown. What is the probability that the product of the two numbers is a multiple of 5? And do you remember what you answered for this one this morning?
I think I answered number C.
Number C, which is 1/6. Okay, so let's take a look at this problem.
So, well, the only way for the product of the two dice to be a multiple of 5 is for one of them to be 5.
Why is that?
Because you don't have any other multiples of 5 if you're looking at regular 6-sided dice.
Okay.
So one has to be 5 and the other one has 6 choices for what it could be.
Okay.
But you can also, this is what I forgot, you can do it this way.
All right.
So either die could be 5. So this would say 1/3.
Okay.
So 6 here, 6 here, and now 36.
Well, I got good news and bad news for you. 1/3 is also a choice. That's the good news. What do you think the bad news is?
It's not the right choice.
All right. So let's take a look. It's a good thing on these problems to just make a grid on these probability problems. So that's going to make 6, 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, and 3 there. Okay, so this is dice showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when we're after a probability problem, what are we trying to find?
We're trying to find what we want.
Yes, that's true. What are we trying to find to solve a probability
So we
problem?
need the good outcomes, the
Okay.
outcomes we want, and the total outcomes.
Yeah. The good outcomes divided by the total outcomes.
There's
Which one of these is easier to see? The good outcomes or the total
total
outcomes?
outcomes.
Okay, what is it?
36.
Okay, now, I have my grid here of all 36 outcomes. Can you shade in the ones where the product is going to be a multiple of 5?
So there's this one, this one, this one, this one. Yeah. This one, this one. There's this one, this one, this one, this one, this one.
Okay, so when you thought the answer was 1/6, what were you doing?
So I was counting this and then that. But I double count this.
Okay, when you thought the answer was 1/6, show
Oh.
me what you were doing.
1/6, I was just counting just one of these.
Okay, good. When you thought the answer was 1/3, what were you doing?
I was counting both, but overcounting this one.
Okay, why was that one getting overcounted?
Because 5 times 5. It's in both sets.
It's in both sets, so you counted it twice. So what is the probability that we have a multiple of 5 here?
So it would be 11 out of 36.
11 out of 36. There you go. So on these probability problems, it's always a good idea to just take a step back for a second and say, what am I trying to find? I'm trying to find the good cases divided by the total cases. You don't have to draw out the grid, but thinking about the grid in your mind helps you get your arms around the problem. All right? Good work, huh?